get cover some text formatting elements. What is bold or B HTML element? It creates bold text. I element creates italic text. U element creates underlined text. Strike element creates strikethrough text. TT or monospaced create text which letters are actually same width. Sub or superscript creates text that is slightly upper comparing to the other text. Sub or subscript creates text that is slightly below other text. Big creates text that is slightly bigger in comparing to the other text. Small creates text that is slightly smaller in comparing to the other text. And marked creates text that is highlighted or marked. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.